Ni Coach Shaq, dito daw lalabas ang kanilang maturity. Kung gaano daw ka-mature ang kanyang team. Sabi niya hindi daw sila pwede umasa isang tao lang because they already know what they need to do. Kaya naman daw kung gusto daw nila ma-improve na sila ay isang solid team, kailangan daw mabilis ang recovery nila at yan daw ang inaasahan niyang mangyari in this set. Balik sa inyo, Noel.
Hindi po pangkaraniwan yung pagkawala ni Bernadette Pons dito. She's still playing in the UAAP Beach Volleyball Competition. But, eto po, si Pinky Fajardo will return.
The darling of the crowd.
Ayan na. And the fans love it. Dito, 8-6. Navy up by 2. At eto ngayon si Serafica Quintero Sale. At yan, hinulog. Buhay pa rin. Serafica. Agno. Dawson. Binuhay na naman ni Fajardo. Quintero Sale, kinaliwa. Blanca naman inabot kay Dawson. Susan. Hindi pumasok. 8-7 ngayon laman pa rin po Navy. Grabe mga fans dito nitong Philippine Navy. Uy, nais ko lang batiin yung ating kaibigan. Sinasabi niya, dinay niya na birthday niya. Pero Cesar Malabanan. Oo. Cesar Malapitan. Malabanan kasi nandiyan kanina. Cesar Malapitan. Ala, birthday mo daw talaga, Kuya Cesar. Paano yan? Buksan na natin yung pansit na nakatago dyan sa likuran. Serafica Rosale. Hindi na maabutan yan ni Tinagno.
Oo, tawag dyan, bully.
Oo. Rosale, again, maganda na nilalaro dito sa ating third set. Very quiet si Kite nung ating second set. Pero nakuha pa rin ng Navy yung second set natin.
That's right. Behind yung the performance, actually, of Prochino played well.
Right. And then Ibanez, of course. And on defense, of course, Mick Laborte. Serafica ngayon, going to Eileen Suson. Over everybody. Hello!
Alam mo, you're right. Si Coach Shaq medyo naiinis na nakaupo na because that ball was so slow, pero yung reaction, if you can see, yung reaction to ng FU ang bagal din.
This is, of course, our Rexona antiperspirant deodorant. It won't let you down. Slow-mo.
Synchronized.
Buti pa magkabangga ng ulo dun eh. Yan po ang mga pangalan. Noel Zarate alongside Noringo. Si Miyaka Lim is also here on the sidelines. And another good serve from Quintero Sale. Now a 4-point lead for the Philippine Navy. And enough is enough. Torres is replaced. Pabalik ulit ito si Charm Simborio. Mikasa is the official ball of the Shakey's V-League. 11-7. Rosale,
Parang itong pinaka-comfortable na lead ng Navy. Medyo 4 points.
I think this could be the biggest in the match for
4 points.
either team. Yung 4 points na yan.
So tama ka talaga when you say na one win, like yung first set with the Navy, iba talaga yung play nila after.
Bago setter ngayon para sa FEUE na Papa, seeing her first action dito. Tinitignan ko yung lineup dito, puro teenager. Ang lineup nitong kupunan ng FEU ngayon, nobody over 19 years old. Palma is 19. Siya na yung pinakamatanda dyan.
Same hairstyle with Giselle C.
Oh, nice reaction that time from Ina Papa. One more time para kay Serafica. Buhay pa si Serafica. Sabi ni Mikmik, walang tao doon. Zone 5. Hello.
Talaga itong Navy. Tawanan lang. Tawanan.
And they are having a really good time. Again, one win could spell the difference. Sila PNP at saka FEU. One win could spell the difference here. In moving on to the quarterfinal round. Tinagno. Ina Papa. Oy, hindi nakalmot ni Remy Palma that time. So hindi malaman kung ni Palma kung papunta yun kay Dawson o kanya ba talaga. At sabi ni Coach Shaq, yari kayo ngayon.
Tambak yung instruction namin. Tambak yung naman ang utak nila. Tingnan nyo, kung naalala tayo ng gusto nyo kayo na siya.
Tara, set aside nyo na. Ibang pa kayo. Tara. Lima lang yan. Kaya natin to. Magsalita ka siya.
Si Tinagno na yung nangunguna din sa huddles. Oh, look at this crowd that has assembled here. Of course, bukas po sa GMA News TV, masasaksihan nyo po yung labanan ng dalawang undefeated na kupunan. Ito, yung labanan ng Philippine Army and labanan ng Cagayan Valley. Ang big news po dyan, Rachel Andakis is back.
Yeah, and
abangan nyo po yung bukas, ha?
The fans, sigurado excited na excited.
Right. Remy Palma, semi-kalmot ang ginawa doon. Effective pa rin.
A point is a point. They need that ngayon ng FU because they're trailing by 4.
Now, Samantha Dawson seeing extended minutes dito sa laban natin.
Ayan, abangan niya. Mapalo ng malakas yun nasa dulo.
Pardo. Nene Ibanez across. Combination play ngayon, Tony Basas. Nandun naman si Susan. Serafica down the middle for Mikmik. Losot kay Mikmik.
Yun yung problema ngayon ng FU, no? They're opting for yung single block.
And tuwing papalitan si Pinky Fardo at pabalik si May Prochina. Oh, ganun na talaga.
Umaya mag-feel bad si Prochina.
Hindi naman lang. Naintindihan dapat ng tao yan ha. Kailangan ng malaki sa harapan. Hapya, lifting. Uy, net violation. Tatawag kay Remy Palma and Palma does not like the call.
That's right. Kasi medyo obvious na lifting na rin si Mikmik Laborde.
Right. So 15-9. Ito na po ang pinakamalaking kalamangan sa buong laro natin. Now enjoyed by the Philippine Navy for both teams yan ha. Papa going to Basas. Trying to drop it. And Tony says, labas naman yan eh. 15-10. Navy's lead down to 5.
That's right. Alam mo itong FEU, yeah, although obvious naman na Coach Jack is really binibigyan na ng chance sa ibang players na yung players, you have to take advantage. Kasi minsan-minsan lang you get to play against players from the Navy squad.
That's right. And these are legends.
Legends.
You have to learn as much as you can from them. Tony Basas keeping it alive. Ina Papa going back to Basas. Soft attempt there. Prochina ngayon. Here's Nene Ibanez!
Wow!
Alayo daw. 16-10 Philippine Navy.
Ito ang Shake It Binig.